Good morning, viewers. Very good morning. See, I have given rice to this dove bird, and he or she is as they have changed their partner yesterday. So he is having rice. I have given her rice. So he is eating, leaving her chicks behind. You can just, they are sleeping, you can find out from the pictures. Now see, whenever I come to make the video, these birds, they just keep stop their job. See, now they're listening to me. If I go away from here, he will start eating. See, the bird is very hungry. Just now I have given the rice. See, another bird has come. Just I am showing you, another partner has come. Just see, another partner has come. I can't talk because again, see, eating very hungry. I think they will change their place. Mother bird will come and see, he's slowly, she's, another bird is coming. They are both the father and mother. See, what a lovely scene. Oh, I'm so excited. I have given them water. One has come and another is eating grains. Just see, I have kept water for them. I've kept water. So beautiful. See the birds, see the chicks, see the chicks. See, he is releasing his partner. He's releasing his partner. See, he has left here. He has left their chicks, and those chicks is, see the condition of the chicks. They are sleeping. So lovely, so lovely. See, he is leaving. He is flying away. See, gone. Now the another one. He or she is waiting over there. He has left. One has left and the another is sitting over there. See, turning his head. Again, she is coming. Come. See, oof. So beautiful. See, another bird sat over their cheeks. It's so lovely. It's a great. The system is great. Oof. See, human beings should learn something from them. See how they are taking care. They are so responsible. You can't imagine, they are so responsible. Oh, great, great. See, I had given rice. The bird has eaten all the grains, all the grains. See? Okay. Thank you, W. Sit with your chicks. Thank you. Thank you, viewers. This is today's update only. Thank you. I will come back again. Stay healthy, stay safe,